Hi, this lesson is about logarithms. The previous lesson, in that video, you learned about inverses. And at the very end of that video, I said, if I wanted to know what the inverse of addition was, you would say subtraction. And if I wanted to know what the inverse of multiplication was, you would say division. If I squared a number, the inverse, or what would undo squaring a number, is square rooting. Well, at the very beginning of this unit, we talked about exponential functions. Today, we are talking about its inverse. What will undo an exponential function? And so that is a logarithm. All right, let's go to just the basic setup. Let's look at the forms. I'm going to write the generic form. I'm not writing it in function notation, just as an equation. The general form is I have some value b raised to the x power, and that b to the x power equals some number, and we're going to call that number a for now. So b to the x power equals a. Now if I want to write that as a logarithm, it is written the log with a base of b, notice base is b, of a equals x. Now some people say that they like to just remember the rotation in order to know where they put all of their values for a logarithm, and they start with b and they rotate counterclockwise, going from b to a and then a to x. This would also work, so notice b, then a, then x. This also works if you're going from logarithmic form back to exponential form. So if I started with the b here, go across to the x, b to x equals the a, so b of x equals a. So if you want to remember the rotation, you can, to help you know where to put the values. Let's just practice some problems here. We're going to convert these exponential equations into logarithmic form. So if you follow the rotation, we're going to go the log with a base of 14 of 196 equals 2. Okay, moving to the next one. Starting with a base of 16, we would say the log with a base of 16 of 4 equals 1/2. Now make sure that when you are writing these, that you are not writing like log base 16 and writing it like this and then a 4. That looks like log of 164. That is not okay. This 16, because it's the base, it needs to be written as a subscript. Okay? Continuing on, log with a base of 1/4 of 1 over 64 equals 3. And then the last one here, the log with a base of y, log with a base of y of x equals, continue moving on, 13. So that's how you convert from exponential to logarithmic form. All right, let's see about the next page. We're going to convert from logarithmic to exponential. So again, just like on the beginning slide, I showed you that we can just continue using the same rotation. Now, when we go back to exponential, we don't need the word log anymore. So we're going to go from 3, raise it up, 3 to the 4th power is 81. Okay, 13 to the negative 2 power is 1 over 169. Get rid of log. 3 to the negative 18th power, 3 to the negative 18th power equals n. We don't know that answer at this moment, but all we were asked to do was convert. We weren't asked to solve or find an answer if we weren't given it. So this would be just converting. All right, so we're going to practice some of these skills, and then you'll come back and watch a part 2 video.